Hey! What do we learn today? Computer parts. Hooray! Pofy, Pofy, Mimi, Tabby. Let's learn and play.
Ooh, what's this? It's a computer, Pofy. Let's learn all the parts together.
Computer, tap, tap, tap. Let's use it together. Screen and mouse, keys so neat. Learning computers feels so sweet. Computer, click, click, click. Move slow, fast. Pofy, Mimi, Tabby say. Computer parts we learn today.
Where do we see everything? I know. Let's find out.
This is the monitor, big and bright. We see pictures day and night. Videos, games, words so clear. Monitor helps us see right here. Yeah! Screen, bright, see, alright.
Let's play a Barbie game. So pretty. Wow, I can see cartoons.
Keyboard, keys in line. Tap, 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 letters shine. A, B, C, and 1, 2, 3. Tap, tap, type, ABC, yippee!
I typed my name.
Great job! You're learning fast.
Mouse, small and round. Move it gently on the ground. Click and point and scroll around. Mouse helps us move all around. Click, move, scroll, let's go! CPU, box so smart. It is the computer's thinking part. Works inside, fast and true. CPU helps the computer do. Think, work, fast, good job.
This is a CPU. Yes, it's the brain of the computer. Think CPU.
Speakers play sound, loud or low. Music, voices, on they go. Printer prints, page by page. Pictures, words, right on stage. Sound, print, here, wow. Pofy says, use it right. Mimi says, not all night. Tabby says, take a break. Learn with care, computer's great. Computer, tap, tap, tap. Let's use it together. Monitor, mouse, keyboard too. CPU helps the computer do. Computer, learn and play the smart way. Pofy, Mimi, Tabby cheer. Computer parts are super clear.
Guess the part? I'll give a clue. I'm ready. I show you pictures. What am I? Monitor! I help you type. Give it a try. Keyboard! Click and move, small and round. What am I? Mouse! I think inside without a sound. What am I? CPU! Yay! You got it! If you liked our fun today, like and subscribe!